gimmick or may sikreto. There's nothing on it.
Yeah.
Perfect. Alright, I'm just gonna refill through the pages. You just call out stop anytime that you like.
Stop.
Right there, page 65. I need you to go before you go to page 65. I'm gonna avert my head so that way I cannot see anything. This is an experiment in hindsight. Alright? You're on it. Tinignan mo yung book, yung pinakamalaking word dyan or yung pinaka-prominent na word, choose that, focus on that.
Okay.
Alright guys, if you happen to have a book with you also, pwedeng tumingin kayo. Alright? Focus on that word. And I'm assuming na nakasarado na yung libro? Yeah? Alright. Is that fair? Well, I think so. Trust nobody. Alright, Ram, I need you to focus on the word with me, please. Focus on the word. He's trying not to move his lips. Ang galing. Siguro may background ka rin sa body language and NLP, I'm assuming. Yeah.
Okay.
Focus on the last letter of the word. First letter of the word. The second letter of the word. Okay, using the second letter of the word, think of maybe an animal that starts with that. Do not say anything, but just think of an animal. The first one that pops into mind, just focus on that. Isipin mo yung color ng animal. You don't have to say anything. Focus on the color of the animal. I'm getting black and white. What is it? Gray. Yes. Brown. But it's okay. You're one tough cookie. Okay, you have a word in mind. I'm getting 3 syllables, yes.
Yeah, you told me. You told me that. Think of the first, second, and last letter.
Well, yeah. 3 syllables, yes.
3 syllables, yeah, sorry.
3 syllables. I'm correct, 3 syllables. Okay. Okay, I'm not getting anything. It's not that he doesn't have a brain, but it's my fault. I take full responsibility. Alright, we'll try it again. Wala akong makuha. Can I see, what do you have in mind? Page 65, what do you have in mind? Technique.
It was the same font as the type. Kasi ginawa ko yung play.
Okay. Sure. Technique. We'll do it again. We'll just browse to the pages. Say stop in the time.
Stop.
Sorry, page 53. Again, the very prominent word there. Probably focus on the first line. Doon tayo sa topmost. Probably.
Okay.
Oh. Alright. Second attempt. Look at me, please. What was the word?
Demonic.
Going for familiar. Meron ba nag-iisip ng familiar under the roof? Oh. Demonic. How about this? There's always one inside the room. Alam mo, meron talaga mahirap basahin. Alam mo, tawag doon psychic vampires. Kung nangyaring babae ka tapos maganda ka, I would have used a different out. I would have said, oh, you're like my Bella, I cannot read your mind. I would have said that.
Okay.
Medyo nahihirapan ako sa'yo.
Okay, sure.
It's not your fault, it's my fault. Turo ka sa kanila ng iba.